Hey there, folks. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's going to supercharge your team's motivation and fulfillment. It's all about Law 31, leveraging the power of progress. You won't believe how this one principle transformed a laughingstock into a gold medal winning powerhouse. Let's get started. Sir David Brailsford, the mastermind behind Marginal Gains, took British cycling from zero to hero by focusing on the smallest details. It's not about huge leaps, it's about tiny improvements that add up. In just 5 years, they won 57% of all gold medals at the Beijing Olympics. But what's the secret? I interviewed Brailsford, and he spilled the beans. He said people want progression, not perfection. It's about identifying the basics, getting them right, and then asking, what other little things could we do? Small wins make you feel like you're on the move, and that's motivating. Think about it. We all go full throttle in the gym in January and stop by February. Big changes are hard to sustain, but small ones stick. It's all about the stickability over time. That's where the magic happens. We never thought about podiums. We thought about the tiniest things to make progress. When you create that culture, people get energized and more ideas start flowing. Progress isn't just about numbers. It's about feelings and emotions. Research shows that when you feel like you're making headway, your motivation skyrockets. It's like fuel in the tank of your motivation bus. The big tasks are often procrastination magnets because they feel overwhelming. So, how do you overcome that? Smallify the task. Break it into easy, achievable micro goals. It's a superpower to prevent procrastination. Carl E. Wick's research shows that scaling down challenges is the key to action. Small wins may seem unimportant, but they attract allies and lower resistance. Yet so few leaders get this. Harvard Business Review surveyed managers worldwide, and only 5% recognized making progress in work as a primary motivator. They favored recognition instead. But here's the thing, recognition hinges on achievements. Now, let's talk about how to harness the power of progress in your team. Here are 5 methods that can turn your team into a high-achieving powerhouse. 1. Creating meaning. Give your team a deep sense of purpose. In my companies, we have systems in place to show how each team member's work impacts the world. It's essential because when work feels meaningless, motivation vanishes. 2. Setting clear and actionable goals. Lay out clear objectives and break them into smaller, achievable milestones. Early wins build momentum, and progress should never go unnoticed. 3. Providing autonomy. Give your team space to succeed, and yes, even to fail. As a leader, your role is to be a supportive enabler, not a micromanager. 4. Removing friction. Proactively eliminate obstacles that hinder progress. Frequent check-ins with your team can help identify and resolve issues quickly. 5. Broadcasting the progress. Shout out the progress your team is making. Recognition reinforces behavior and shows other teams what's possible. We have a ritual of weekly updates to boost the sense of going somewhere. In conclusion, the law of leveraging the power of progress is a game changer. It's about making those small wins count, and it can turn your team into an unstoppable force. So, start today by creating a culture of progress and watch the magic happen. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible insights.